Tired of accidentally accepting low-ball offers on eBay? I get it. You check your phone, see a notification, tap accept without thinking, and boom, you just sold a $200 item for 90 bucks. It stings. But here's the good news. eBay has a setting that stops this from ever happening again, and it takes about 30 seconds to turn on. Let me show you exactly how to set it up so you never lose money to a rushed tap again. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through your eBay account settings and show you exactly where this confirmation toggle lives. No digging through menus, no guesswork. Just a few clicks and you're protected. All right, let's start. Hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of any eBay page, that little person or your username. This is where all your account management lives, so it's good to get comfortable finding this spot. Now, from that drop-down menu, click Account Settings. This is your command center for everything related to your selling preferences, payment info, and privacy controls. Once you're there, you'll see a long list of options on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click Site Preferences. Now, I know it might feel like a lot of options, but trust me, this is exactly where we need to be. This page controls how your listings interact with buyers. Things like return policies, shipping preferences, and yes, that magical offer confirmation setting. And here's the really important part. Scroll down through the list until you see Best Offer Submit Confirmation. It's usually around the middle of the page, right near the Best Offer settings. This is the safety net we've been talking about. When this is off, eBay accepts offers instantly without asking you to confirm. When it's on, every offer that comes in will require a deliberate click from you before it goes through. Now, on the far right side of that row, you'll see an Edit button. Click that. And in my experience, this is where most sellers give up because they don't notice the edit link. It's small, but it's there. Once you click Edit, you'll see a simple toggle switch. Click it to turn the setting on. You'll notice the description changes to tell you that buyers must confirm their offer before submitting. That's exactly what we want. Finally, click Save at the bottom of that section. And that's it. You're done. From now on, every time someone sends you a best offer, eBay will pause and ask you to confirm before accepting it. No more accidental sales, no more lost profits. Now, this might sound like a small change, but as someone who's helped a lot of sellers clean up these costly mistakes, I can tell you this one toggle will save you more money than almost any other setting in your account. It gives you that split second to think, wait, is this a fair price? Before you lock in the sale. So go ahead and flip that switch. Your bank account will thank you. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next one.